Have you ever wondered why cranberries are so popular? These petite berries native to North America are truly a wonder of nature. Bursting with a vivid red hue, cranberries typically measure about 1 centimeter in diameter, making them one of the smallest fruits in the berry family. Yet, despite their small size, they pack quite a punch. Cranberries thrive primarily in swamp and wetland environments, which may seem like a harsh habitat for such delicate berries. But these little powerhouses have adapted to their surroundings, flourishing where few other fruits can. In fact, this unique environment contributes to their distinct flavor profile, a delightful blend of sweetness and tartness that sets them apart from other berries. Ripe cranberries boast a tartness that's simply unrivaled, offering a taste that's both refreshing and invigorating. But the cranberry's appeal extends far beyond its unique taste. It's a versatile fruit that has found its way into a variety of culinary endeavors. The tartness of cranberries makes them an excellent choice for crafting jams, infusing juices, and baking desserts. Think about it. Who could resist a slice of cranberry pie, a handful of cranberry cookies, or a dollop of cranberry meringue? And let's not forget about dried cranberries, a popular snack that's both healthy and delicious. Yet cranberries are more than just a tasty treat. They're a symbol of resilience, thriving in conditions where other fruits might wither and die. They're a testament to the power of adaptation and the beauty of diversity. They're a reminder that sometimes the smallest things can make the biggest impact. So the next time you pop a cranberry into your mouth, take a moment to appreciate this petite powerhouse. Consider its journey from the swampy wetlands to your plate. Savor its unique blend of sweetness and tartness. And remember, cranberries are more than just a popular fruit. They're a testament to the wonders of nature and the power of resilience. Cranberries, a delightful blend of sweetness and tartness, are more than just a tasty treat. They're a testament to the wonders of nature, a symbol of resilience, and a petite powerhouse that's truly one of a kind. But these petite berries are not just about taste. Indeed, cranberries pack a punch when it comes to nutritional value. These small tart fruits are chock full of essential nutrients and antioxidants, making them an excellent addition to any diet. Let's start with vitamin C. This vital nutrient is well known for its role in supporting a healthy immune system. Just 1 cup of cranberries can provide a significant portion of your daily vitamin C requirement. So next time you reach for an orange when feeling under the weather, consider a handful of cranberries instead. Then there's the fiber content. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system, and cranberries are an excellent source. Consuming these berries can help keep your gut happy and functioning at its best. Plus, fiber can also aid in weight management by keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Let's not forget about manganese. This often overlooked mineral plays a crucial role in bone health, metabolism, and antioxidant function. And guess what? Cranberries are a good source of it. But the nutritional benefits of cranberries don't stop there. These berries are also packed with antioxidants. These compounds help protect the body against damaging free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause harm when their levels become too high in the body. Antioxidants, like those found in cranberries, help neutralize these potentially harmful molecules. Given all these fantastic health benefits, it's clear that cranberries are much more than a tangy treat. They are a nutritional powerhouse, offering a host of benefits that go beyond their delightful flavor. Consuming cranberries regularly can contribute to a healthy, balanced diet and support overall well-being. So, whether you enjoy them fresh, dried, or in your favorite recipes, make cranberries a part of your regular diet. Their sweet tart flavor is not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for your health. Clearly, cranberries are a nutritional powerhouse. Did you know cranberries could also be your tiny medics? That's right. Beyond their distinctive flavor and nutritional value, cranberries hold a host of medicinal properties. These petite powerhouses are believed to be armed with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory qualities that contribute to overall health. Let's first talk about their antibacterial properties. Cranberries are a natural defense against harmful bacteria, particularly those that may cause urinary tract infections or UTIs. These infections are a common concern, particularly among women, and can be quite uncomfortable. Cranberries contain a unique type of antioxidant known as proanthocyanidins. These compounds prevent bacteria, such as E. coli, from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract, thereby helping to prevent infections. Now let's move on to their anti-inflammatory qualities. Inflammation is often associated with a range of health issues, from minor ailments like a sore throat to more serious conditions like heart disease. The antioxidants in cranberries have anti-inflammatory effects that can help combat these conditions. They work by reducing the production and effects of inflammation-causing substances in the body. Cranberries also offer benefits for our digestive system. They're rich in dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion by adding bulk to the stools and preventing constipation. Moreover, the antioxidants in cranberries can help protect the digestive tract from damage by harmful bacteria. And last but certainly not least, let's talk about heart health. Cranberries are thought to promote heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and minimizing the risk of cardiovascular disease. The antioxidants in cranberries help to improve heart health by reducing LDL, or bad cholesterol levels, and increasing HDL, or good cholesterol levels. In addition, they help to lower blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. So as you can see, cranberries aren't just for making your holiday dishes more vibrant. They're a wonderful natural remedy for a range of health issues. So the next time you're enjoying a handful of these tart berries or sipping on some cranberry juice, remember that you're not just indulging in a tasty treat. With cranberries in your diet, you're not just enjoying their unique flavor, but also reaping numerous health benefits. Cranberries are not just beneficial, they're also beautiful. Let's delve into an aspect of cranberries often overlooked, their role in food presentation. Our journey begins with the festive season, where cranberries shine like tiny rubies. They're a staple in holiday decorations, bringing a vibrant pop of color to the table. Wreaths adorned with cranberries, for instance, are a common sight during the holiday season, showcasing the berry's aesthetic appeal. But cranberries are not just for decorating, they also enhance the visual appeal of our food. Their vivid red hue adds a splash of color to any dish, turning even the most humble meals into a feast for the eyes. Take salads, for example. The inclusion of cranberries can transform a simple plate of greens into a vibrant, mouth-watering masterpiece. The contrast between the lush green of lettuce or spinach and the bright red of cranberries is not only visually appealing, but it also provides a delightful play of flavors. And it's not just salads. Cranberries can elevate the presentation of a wide array of dishes. Consider a roast turkey or chicken, glistening and golden brown. Now imagine it garnished with cranberries, their bright red color popping against the rich brown of the meat. The result is not only visually stunning, but also exquisitely flavorful, as the tartness of the cranberries complements the savory taste of the meat beautifully. In desserts, too, cranberries shine. Whether it's a creamy cheesecake topped with a cranberry glaze or a rustic apple tart dotted with cranberries, these little red berries can take your dessert from ordinary to extraordinary. In the realm of beverages, cranberries can be used to add a splash of color and a hint of tartness. Whether floating in a festive punch or adorning the rim of a cocktail glass, cranberries can enhance both the visual appeal and the flavor profile of a wide range of drinks. Cranberries, with their vibrant red hue, add a pop of color and taste to any dish. So the next time you're in the kitchen, think of cranberries not just as a nutritious ingredient, but also as an artist's tool, ready to paint your plate with vibrant hues and tantalizing flavors. Now, how can we enjoy these little red gems in our daily lives? Well, there's a myriad of ways to infuse the tartness and sweetness of cranberries into your meals and snacks. Let's explore a few of them. First off, there's the simplest method: raw consumption. Pop a handful of cranberries into your mouth for a quick snack. Their unique blend of sweet and sour can be a delightful palate cleanser. Or toss some into a fruit salad, where they can mingle with the flavors of other fruits to create a symphony of taste. Next, consider dried cranberries. Drying concentrates the flavor, making these berries a perfect addition to trail mix, granola, or just a standalone snack. Their chewy texture and intensified sweetness can be a pleasant surprise. Culinary uses for cranberries are vast and varied. Their tartness can add a new dimension to desserts. Imagine a slice of cranberry pie with a dollop of whipped cream or fresh cranberry sauce drizzled over a warm slice of cinnamon cake. Even in savory dishes like stews and roasts, cranberries can provide a burst of flavor that complements the richness of the meat. Pairing cranberries with yogurt or cereal is another delicious option. Their tartness can cut through the creaminess of yogurt, creating a balanced flavor profile. And in cereal or oats, they can add a hint of sweetness and a pop of color that makes your breakfast bowl more appealing. Finally, don't forget about juices and salads. Fresh cranberry juice is a refreshing beverage, and its vibrant color can brighten up any meal. In salads, cranberries can add a sweet and sour note that contrasts beautifully with the crispness of fresh greens. Remember, these are just a few suggestions. Cranberries are a versatile berry that can be incorporated into a wide range of dishes, so don't be afraid to experiment. Try them in different recipes, adjust the amount to suit your taste, and who knows, you might come up with a new favorite way to enjoy cranberries. There are countless ways to enjoy cranberries, so go ahead and experiment based on your taste and creativity.
Thank you for watching. If you want to see more of interesting botanical stuff, make sure to like, subscribe, and share.